3, 2, 1. Hello, this is going to be a quick video showing you how to do non-metric conversions. Non-metric conversions are like this. You have 2.54 centimeters in an inch. How many centimeters are in 4 inches? So centimeters is part of the metric system, but inches isn't. So you can't do any of the nice metric system stuff. You have to actually convert it. Now in order to do a conversion, you need a given fact, so 4 inches, and you need a relationship between the units you want. So 4 inches and the relationship of inches to centimeters. These are both parts of solving the problem. This is an easy way to think about it. How many centimeters are in 4 inches? So I have 4 inches. And 4 inches, that's the same thing as 4 of 1 inch. Because 4 inches is just 4 copies of 1 inch. So now you want to see 1 inch in the relationship to centimeters. So an inch is 2.54 centimeters. So that actually means that where I have 4 times 1 inch, I can substitute that in. And after I do that, I can figure it out. 4 inches is 4 times 2.54 centimeters, which is going to be 10.16. So there's an easy way to think about it. I took 4 inches, which is 4 times 1 inch. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters, so I take this number and I multiply it by 4 for this particular problem. Let me show you another one. There are 12 inches in a foot. There are 2.54 centimeters in an inch. How many centimeters are in 6 feet? So in this case, it's made a little bit more difficult because I don't actually have the relationship of feet to centimeters. I don't have that relationship. What I have is feet to inches, and I have inches to centimeters. So I have to use those relationships to sort of construct the relationship of feet to centimeters. But that's not too bad. I could take 6 feet, and then I could turn it into inches using this first relationship. And then once I have inches, I can turn that into centimeters using the second relationship. So it's a 2-step problem. The first step, I want to figure out 6 feet is how many inches. So remember, 6 feet is 6 times 1 foot. And 1 foot was 12 inches based on this. So that's 6 times 12 inches. And 6 times 12 is 72. So 6 feet was 72 inches. For the second part, I have to convert 72 inches to centimeters. So 72 inches is the same as 72 times 1 inch. That's the number 1, 1 inch. And 1 inch, based on this relationship, is 2.54 centimeters. So 72 times 2.54 centimeters. Then you do 72 times 2.54. And you get 182.88. So the answer is 182.88 centimeters. There we go. So in 6 feet, you have 182.88. When you're doing non-metric conversions, you're normally just going to have to multiply by a single number to do the conversion. So it'll be pretty easy and hopefully pretty intuitive if you think of 6 feet being 6 times 1 foot. Okay, I hope that was helpful.